What is going on, people? Grom Squatch here. So I am tired of screws and nails in my tires. Last week I was riding out on a low gap and my Grom got a nail in the tire. Luckily, the carcass on the Shinko Mobbers is super thick and it still had a little bit of air inside of it because I forgot my pump at home. But I always carry plug kits on my bikes. And I was able to get home on that one. Just a few days ago, I got a screw in this tire, almost in the exact same spot, but I think it was one of these thicker ones on somewhere on the other side, I guess. I don't see it on here. But I heard that one and was able to get it plugged and had a little bit of air in the tire. Well, just now, maybe a mile, well, not just now, maybe like an hour ago, about fucking, yeah. I was about a mile from home, about half a mile from home or so, and I felt the back end get kind of squishy. I'm like, oh, come on. And yeah, I've got, it's basically completely out of air almost. So yeah, I gotta plug another one. It's getting close to the end of the life anyways, but anyways, on all my bikes I carry a plug kit. This one, on the Grom, I have one that's just got like the screwdriver handles. This bike, because the carcass is thicker, honestly, I should get one of these for the Grom too, with the T-handles. But I've always got plug kits, just a cheap one from the auto parts place, from Walmart, from wherever I'm at the time that I get one. Anyways, this should be simple enough to take out. I'm not just going to rip it out. I'm going to actually screw on it. That's actually just fucking awful. I'll just pull it out, fuck it. And a little bit of air in there. Here. Oh, I guarantee you. They've been doing all kinds of construction all over my property, my aunt's property, fucking everywhere up and down the road. I guarantee this is from somebody. This looks maybe, I don't know what kind of nail or screw this is, but dumb. Anyways, got your boring tool or whatever you call it. And you got your little plugs here. They're usually easier to work with when it's warm weather, but this has been cold and dry, or not cold and dry, but cold and wet weather. Oh, anyways, get the plug through here. There we go. Damn. There we go. Kind of put some force into that one. Oh. Pull that out. Pump some air in. Where are you? There you are. Hopefully it holds. I will take, after I get air in, make sure it's holding. I will cut that off, heat it up, smash it down. Well, there we go. Just had some stuff in it. There we go. Feels pretty hard, solid right now. I'll check the pressure in a little while. I'll go inside, hang out for a little bit, come back out, make sure the tire is holding there still. Got the plug in. I don't hear nothing. So yeah, freaking that's all you gotta do. I'm gonna go inside and wait and make sure I don't hear anything, or I'm gonna go inside, make sure the tire holds air, and I'll come back out in a little bit and check it just to see. And I'm gonna cut this off and burn it down, flatten it down inside of that. Looked out since it was inside one of the grooves. Same with the other one. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. That was how you change a plug in a tire, or put a plug in a tire. Use the little, pull the thing out, use the boring tool, put a plug in there, put it in, pull it out. Check everything, and anyways, you guys take it easy. Don't squelch out. Later.